Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best cheap motorized treadmill on the market, the HiFast walking pad. If you're looking for a compact, portable, and efficient way to stay active right at home or in your office without breaking the bank, this treadmill could be exactly what you need. The HiFast walking pad is designed with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor that supports users weighing up to 300 pounds. That's impressive for a machine in this price range, giving it an edge over many competitors that often support less weight and have smaller motors. Its speed range goes from a gentle 0.6 miles per hour up to 4 miles per hour, allowing for everything from a slow walk to a brisk jog or light run, all controlled easily with a remote. One of the standout features is its wide and non-slip running belt, measuring 15.75 by 38.58 inches, which provides ample space for different user sizes and reduces the risk of your feet slipping. The belt incorporates a 5-layer non-slip strip combined with advanced double-layer shock absorption technology, including 6 silicone shock absorbers and 2 soft rubber pads. This thoughtful design cushions your knees and joints during workouts, making it a quieter experience that won't disturb others around you. This treadmill is a perfect companion for your work-from-home setup or small living space. It's slim and compact, measuring just about 45.67 inches long, 20.47 inches wide, and only 4.33 inches high. Weighing in at just 40 pounds, it's easy to move around thanks to built-in front wheels. You can conveniently slide it under your sofa, bed, or desk when not in use, which helps save precious space in your home or office. Another great aspect is the LED display, which tracks all the key metrics during your workout, such as speed, distance, time, calories burned, and steps. With the push of a button on the remote, you can toggle between these stats in real time, keeping you motivated and informed. The remote control also features a pause and memory function, so if you need to stop briefly, it remembers your speed and distance and lets you pick up right where you left off, although this resets after a full shutdown. The treadmill requires no assembly, so you can start using it right out of the box without any hassle. Its durable ABS plastic frame provides a sturdy but lightweight build. Plus, the motor includes safety features like overheating protection and blockage operation prevention, ensuring a safe workout environment. While it doesn't come with an incline option or app connectivity, it excels as a practical and affordable treadmill that fits easily in your home or office. The HiFast walking pad is a great choice for anyone wanting to integrate more movement into their day, especially when outdoor walking isn't an option due to weather or time constraints. In summary, if you want a quiet, portable treadmill with a reliable motor, ample running surface, and straightforward features that support walking, jogging, and running, the HiFast walking pad stands out as one of the best budget-friendly options available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.